Hello everybody, my name's Michelle and welcome to my channel Sewing Bunny. I'm here today to share with you my makes that I did in October. This is my first YouTube video, so I'm a bit nervous, but let's see how it goes. I will try and insert pictures wherever possible because I've got quite a small room in here, but yes, so let's get going. So the first thing that I made is actually what I'm wearing. It is the Grain Line Linden sweatshirt, and I made it out of this lovely cat print French terry, as well as this black kind of marl French terry, and both of these were from a company called Flamingo Fabrics. I'll link them down here in case you haven't heard of them, but they sell lovely, really good quality fabrics, and this is just so cozy. I love it. I made a size 8. I didn't have to make any adjustments, and it is just the coziest thing that I've made. This is the first one I ever made actually, and yeah, I'm gonna be making plenty more. And so the second thing that I made in October was a skirt. I had a wedding, I was kindly invited to a wedding, and they both had Scottish heritage, and they encouraged people to wear tartan. So as I sew, I thought, well, perfect opportunity to make something a bit special. So I made this lovely skirt. And this is the like a drafted skirt from the Stitch Sisters YouTube channel. They did a tutorial on how to make a scuba skirt using your own measurements and a few calculations, and it worked out really well. As it was scuba, I didn't need to hem it, which is always a bonus, and yeah, it's very forgiving material, so I was quite comfortable in it all day. It's this lovely kind of mint green kind of tartan, and these lovely little flowers on there. I thought that was just, it made it extra special for a wedding. And the fabric came from a company called Fabric Styles. This is the first time I've bought from them, and really good service, good quality scuba, and I was very happy with it. And the third thing that I made in October was the Tilly and the Buttons Rosa shirt. I only had enough fabric to make a sleeveless version, but I really love this. This fabric is from a company called the Vintage Sweetheart, and they specialise in kind of vintage looking cottons. And I've bought a few things from them, and they're really good quality, and they're really good. Now this is the first time I've ever made a shirt, and I'm quite proud of it. There are a few errors that maybe can't really see, but I'm happy with it, and you can see the collar on here is reasonably pointy, so that's good. I was quite happy with all the top stitching that I did around there, and yeah, overall I think it fits me really well. This was a size 4 that I made of this one, and I love it. So the fourth thing that I made in October was from Tilly's book Love at First Stitch. I'm pretty sure most people who sew know of that book, and I made the Margot pajama bottoms. Sorry, they're a bit creased, but I got this lovely fabric, oh my god, it is really creased, from Fabrics Galore, and it's a lovely cozy soft brushed cotton, like fleecy kind of cotton, and it's just so cozy. Again, I made these size 4. I've always made a size 4 in Tilly patterns, and they've always fit really well. So that was a very cozy make. So the fifth thing that I made in October was actually not sewing related, but knitting related. I'm quite new to knitting, and I've made things like some scarves and things like that, but I really wanted to have a go at a jumper, and if you hold on for a moment I will go grab it. So here she is, my lovely dress form Doris, modelling beautifully. So yes, this was the jumper that I made, and this was from using some Signet wool from Wool Warehouse, and it was a Signet pattern. I think it's called the slash neck jumper, I think it is, and it's such an easy knitting pattern. It was more or less just a rectangle, a slight amount of decreasing for the front and the back, and again with the sleeves, just basically big rectangles. I think as long as you know how to do a little bit of increasing and decreasing, easiest jumper pattern to follow. I'll insert some pictures, but it wasn't quite what I expected it to be. It was a little bit on the short side. I wasn't also sure about maybe the sleeve length, but I am making another one of these in a lovely velvety type yarn, so that'll be extra snug for the winter. Hopefully I can get that one a little bit better, maybe a little bit longer in the body, so fingers crossed that one goes maybe a little bit better, but this is still good for around the house and just if you're feeling a bit chilly. Okay, and the last thing that I made in October was, I feel like there's a bit of a theme going on today with the cats, but it is another cat print. This one is quite a well-known print. This is a jersey with the little eyes being glow in the dark. I haven't fully tested that yet, but it's adorable. And this is from Charlotte's Stitchy Bee. This is a remnant of the fabric that she had, and this is a Molly, sew over it Molly top. I didn't have quite enough, as you can see, to make the full t-shirt, but I've kind of made this little contrast with the black jersey. This is just some jersey from Girl Charlie, who do really good quality jerseys. That's really nice. And yeah, just a little casual t-shirt to wear, and I've usually, in the sew over it, I make a size 12, and they normally fit me perfectly. This is a little bit on the baggy side, this one, but still absolutely lovely to wear and chill out in. So yeah, that is it. I hope that you enjoyed seeing everything that I'd made. As I'm really new to this, I'd love it if you could just like my video, and if you liked what you saw, subscribe. And until next time, thank you for watching. Bye.